Ellie the elephant can't stop sneezing. Ever heard an elephant sneeze? Get ready, because Ellie's sneezes are about to turn your world upside down, literally. Ellie the elephant woke up one morning with a tickle in her trunk. Uh-oh, that tickle felt suspiciously like a sneeze. She tried to ignore it, but the tickle grew stronger. Her eyes watered, her ears wiggled, and then, achoo! A giant gust of air shot from her trunk, blowing her breakfast of bananas right out the window. Ellie tried to be careful, but the sneezes kept coming. Achoo! She accidentally blew the hats off all the monkeys in the marketplace. Achoo! She sent a flock of flamingos flying backwards into a fountain. Oh dear, Ellie's sneezes were causing chaos. Ellie felt terrible. She didn't want to cause any more sneeze-related disasters. She decided to visit Dr. Owl, the wisest animal in the jungle. Dr. Owl examined Ellie carefully. He hooted. It seems you have a case of the giggle sniffles. The only cure is a really, really big hug. Ellie was confused. A hug? But she was willing to try anything. She asked her best friend, Timmy the tortoise, for a hug. Timmy, despite being a little nervous about another sneeze, gave Ellie the biggest, warmest hug he could. And guess what? It worked. The tickle vanished, and Ellie stopped sneezing. Ellie learned that sometimes, all you need is a little love and a big hug to feel better. She still gets the occasional tickle, but now she knows what to do. So if you ever feel a sneeze coming on, remember Ellie and ask for a hug. It might just save the day and prevent a flamingo fountain incident. Now that you've heard Ellie's wild, sneeze-filled adventure, why not draw your favorite part of the story? Or even better, give someone you love a big, warm hug. Don't forget to subscribe for more silly stories, and remember to always be kind, even when you feel like sneezing the world upside down.